So beginning with the SPY today, Thursday, May 8th, looking at the 10-minute chart here, as you can see today we had a strong move up. We tagged this level here that I had as some resistance, broke above that, ended up pulling back slightly and really bouncing right off that level. And let me zoom out. Let's switch over to the 60-minute. Bear with me here. Let's do the daily instead. Okay, here we go. Daily chart. This line here we've had as resistance here for quite some time now. This was your first resistance, and your second was this line that I drew in I think it was last night's video or a few days ago. I drew this in as your secondary target just in case we moved past this point here. And once again, I sound like a broken record, but watch this downtrending line. This was an important line today. I mentioned that line last night. Switching back to the 10-minute chart now. Here we go. So I talked about this line. We know where that comes from off the daily chart. And this line up here, which I'll extend it right now, but in fact I'll just do that now. All I'm doing is extending that further to the right. There we go. So looking at today's action, strong move up, broke this level, pulled back, revisited the previous resistance, which now became support here intraday, and then bounced up and almost to the penny hit that level that I had from last night. The high here was 189.05. I've got that line at 189.12. So a few cents off, but like I said earlier in other videos, nothing is perfect. So that acted as some resistance here. The stock pulled back, or the SPY pulled back, bounced a little bit off of this level again, but really just never really held it, and then it sold off really well, as you can see here. And again, this downtrend line, look at this, went right into that level. Low of this candle here was 187.08. This line I've got here at about 187.14. So it went a little below it, but went right back into that, and then had a small bounce towards the end of the day. So for tomorrow, I'm just gonna, once again, this is an important line. Watch this line. If it breaks this line, look for this level to break. If not, it's everything's the same. Nothing's changed. These levels stay the same for tomorrow. Resistance here, support here, and this is my target here. If we see a nice down move, I'd like to see a close below this line here. As you can see, I've set an alert for myself just to make sure I don't miss that. Let's switch over to the daily one more time. So today, as you can see, the market was just neutral. Went up, went down, came back up, and then closed right where it opened, only down 0.1%. So neutral day today, but as you can see, it hit these levels beautifully. So tomorrow, watch these levels. Tomorrow is Friday. We could have a Friday sell-off, you never know, or they could just float the market up on light volume. Today's volume was, let's see here, 93.6 million. Yesterday we traded 106 million. So maybe tomorrow volume decreases, we'll see. Or we could have a strong sell-off on Friday, man. We never know. Once again, just watch these levels tomorrow. And just in case, we've got a 189.70 level here. If it breaks that, we could see 190 even number. So that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching.